everybody, how's it going? So I got here a product I'm going to be selling for $14.99. This is a mount for your GoPro. It goes on the front of your helmet on the chin area, and that's the viewpoint we like. So let's see what it's all about. And in the package you will get this. You can see it's nice, rubbery, flexible, somewhat flexible. Rubber in the middle there. Yep. And a couple straps. And you got, it even comes with the little screw thing. You can put the GoPro right on. And we're going to take a look with this on 3 different helmets that have a different profile for the chin. So let's take a look at that. So what we have here is your street bike helmet, traditional profile. You know, it's more flat here, has a vent, and this will go on like so. And to get that on, you just take that around. You can figure out if you want to cut these straps. It's going to be excess probably on most helmets, and decide if you want to tuck it up out of the way. But that's how it will go on a street bike helmet. It does somewhat interfere a little bit with visors, you know, and it's going to be helmet dependent. That's why we're going to show you on 2 other type of helmets. But street bike, it does work. It's a good profile. GoPro would mount right here, attach it, there you have it. So now let's go take a look on a different type of helmet with a different profile. So what we have here is the Climb Krios helmet. It's more of a venture profile, so it's a little bit more beaky right here. So go ahead and take a look at how it attaches. You can tell it might have a little more issue on this style of helmet, but that's why I want to bring you this, so you have an idea when you're placing your order. And that's how it looks like on a Climb Krios helmet that has what I would call a slight beak to the helmet. See, it flexes, so it works on this style of helmet. Now, so again, for the visor goes down a little bit better, but you know, it does go into there. So if that's a concern to you, then this probably is not the style of mount you want. However, these work great for dirt bike helmets, so let's take a look at that next. So the next type of helmet I have here is a dirt bike helmet. It's pretty pronounced with the beak here, how pointy it is. This is an HJC, older model. I've had this forever. Haven't used it in forever, but we'll take the V and still place it up to here, and we'll go ahead and mount this up and see how it works. Once I basically have it started, I'll kind of hold it there as I tighten one side, and then I'll loosen the cam on the other. Go ahead and start tightening that side up, and kind of align it. And as you see, on this type of helmet that's pretty beaky, it will actually flex and bend and kind of go around that beak, and it's on there, you know, it's on there good. And then you can decide what you want to do with the extra strap here. You could probably just tuck it up under here, or cut it if this is something you're just going to leave on and not really take off. Your goggles obviously fit on, no visor to worry about. This type of mount is what is best for dirt biking, where you just have goggles, but it will work on street bike and adventure helmets. That's just your call, whether, you know, how much you want that visor closed. If you're okay with it slightly open, then it's not a big deal. And if you ride around like I did with street bike in the summer, you're gonna have it cracked anyway. So, you know, to let air in. So this is the GoPro mount that I'm selling, again, for $14.99. Go check out my Facebook page, Meeker Extreme. I should have it there, and you can PM me, you can hit me up. If you're local, Monument, Colorado, or Colorado Springs, we'll work something out to get you one of these mounts. So take care, and thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good one. Bye.